Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back, and I'm back with another banger because today, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the LG G8 Thinq. Now you're probably thinking, JJ, why do you need another phone? You literally already have a phone. Why do you need this? Well, this is actually not for me. This is actually for my dad. As you know, by the time I'm uploading this video, probably won't be Father's Day, but it is a Father's Day gift. He loves LGs, he's a simple man, and I thought, why not upgrade him? He had an LG K30, which was a pretty budget phone, and I upgraded him to the LG G8. As you know, this was a flagship from LG for 2019, and it dropped from $800 to almost $900 to $300. I got this bad boy for 300 bucks. And of course, it's the 128 gigabyte model. I made sure it was brand new because there's a lot of different LG G8s for sale on Amazon, and a lot of them are renewed, so I made sure this thing was brand new. So yeah, this bad boy, the LG G8 Thinq, is going for 300 bucks on Amazon. This phone was a flagship phone from LG. Now the reason I got it for so cheap was because, as you know, LG, for the people that do know, LG is no longer going to be making cell phones anymore. They closed their mobile division as of this year. In like January of this year they announced it, and obviously their devices are going for way cheaper than retail, so I just had to pick it up and I had to surprise my dad with it. So with no further ado, let's finally get to unboxing this brand new phone. Alrighty, so as you can see here, the front of the box, LG G8 Thinq. Now I got on the G8, not the V series, because, well, the V series, my dad doesn't like big phones, so I was like, the V series might be a little bit too wide and big, so the G8 is a perfect size, probably the same size as my iPhone XR, so this is a perfect phone. Let's crack it open here. This is the 128 gigabyte model once again. Open that bad boy up. I did already crack the seal, so in case you guys are wondering. As you can see here, we're presented with a microfiber cloth right here. Not a lot of phones include this, and it is LG branded. Not sure if you can see that. Throw that to the side. We are presented with LG's second year promise. As you know, LG loves to give the 2-year warranty, and they are still giving out the 2-year warranty if you still buy a phone this year, even though LG is closing their mobile division. Alrighty, then next up we got the phone itself, as you can see here, in a plastic wrapping, letting you know all the features that this phone has here. We got hand ID, as you know, that gimmicky, you know, that it reads your veins. I'll explain that in my review video, but as you can see here, hand ID. Of course, we got the Google Assistant button. We got a whole dedicated button for that. We got Face ID, stuff like that, and of course this is an OLED screen. So let's take it out of the box here. And before we actually get into the phone, let's see what else comes inside the box. So as you can see, we have another box. Let's take that out. And I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of paperwork in here. I'll open that in a minute. But everything else, pretty much all we have is we do have a 21 watt fast charger here. Not sure if you can see that. And then of course, we got the USB-C cable here. I do like that it is USB-C. Yet again, this phone isn't too old. It's only 2 years old, so not too surprised that it comes with USB-C. And then that's pretty much it. No earbuds in the box. Wasn't really expecting any, but hey, back to this little box right here. It seems pretty thick and heavy. Think there's some headphones in here? No, probably not. Let's crack this open, and we do have our little T-Mobile paperwork. I didn't buy a T-Mobile unlocked version. It is brand new though, since I do have T-Mobile. You know, it makes sense. And then we do have, of course, our return policy, our terms and conditions, all the boring stuff. And of course, we do have our SIM ejection tool. So yeah, back to the phone here. As you saw, that was pretty much it, all inside the box. And let's take this little sleeve out, shall we? As you can see here, we have this little wrapping right here. This is the back side. Let's take that off here. Pretty satisfying, huh? And of course, we do have wireless charging because it is a glass back. All premium materials. We have metal and glass all around. Pretty much no plastic to be found on this phone. As you can see here, this is the back side. And let me take off this sticker 1 second. Alrighty, now that I took those ugly stickers off it, ooh, this thing looks nice here. It almost looks like blue in certain reflections. Not sure if you can see that, but of course it is a black phone. Look at the back side. As you can see here, we do have dual cameras, of course. Of course, we got a flash. fingerprint sensor on the back, not under the display. And then at the bottom, of course, we have our speaker, and there is no speaker grill here on top because it is actually under the display. Now, that's all I'm going to be talking about in today's video, because I am going to be doing a full review on this phone, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be coming soon after this video, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys again for watching. More videos coming soon. I know I've been slacking. I know I haven't uploaded. Well, as give me some video ideas down below and let me know what you guys want to see more of on the channel. Do you guys want to see more phone content? Do you guys want to see more live videos? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.